Mastering uncertainty, using possibly and maybe. Hello, English language learners. In today's video, we're going to explore how we can express uncertainty in English, specifically using the words possibly and maybe. These two words are incredibly useful when you're not sure about something and you want to convey that doubt or ambiguity. Possibly and maybe are adverbs used to indicate that something might happen or might be true. They both suggest a degree of uncertainty. The word possibly leans more towards the possibility of occurrence, while maybe often implies a greater level of uncertainty. For example, in the sentence, "I might possibly go to the park today," the speaker is expressing a definite possibility of going to the park. In contrast, "Maybe I'll go to the park today," expresses a bit more uncertainty. Let's start with the word possibly. This word is often used in formal situations or when you want to sound a bit more sophisticated. We usually use it in the middle or at the end of a sentence. 1. In the middle of the sentence. 2. I could possibly finish the project by tomorrow. 3. She can possibly tell us more about the topic. 4. At the end of the sentence. 5. Do you think you could finish the project by tomorrow, possibly? 6. Can she tell us more about the topic, possibly? Moving on to maybe. This word is less formal and more common in everyday conversation. It is generally used at the beginning of a sentence or statement. 1. At the beginning of a sentence. 2. Maybe I will finish the project by tomorrow. 3. Maybe she can tell us more about the topic. Both possibly and maybe express uncertainty, but there is a slight difference in tone and usage. Possibly is slightly more formal and usually indicates a higher degree of possibility than maybe. Also, as we've discussed, possibly tends to be used in the middle or at the end of a sentence, while maybe is used at the beginning. Remember that language is flexible, so there might be exceptions to these general rules depending on the context. And there you have it. That's how you use possibly and maybe to express uncertainty in English. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of these two words and how to use them. Keep practicing, and remember, even when you're uncertain, there's always a way to express it.